Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in boats and streams. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here in this problem we have three statements. Friends, first let us take up the second statement. What is the second statement? The ratio of the speed of the boat in upstream and speed of the stream is 2:3. So speed of the boat in upstream, that is US, by speed of the stream y, this is equal to 2/3, 2:3. It implies friends, US is equal to upstream velocity say 2k and y speed of the stream say 3k. Friends, you know upstream velocity is equal to x minus y, where x is the speed of the boat in still water and y is the speed of the stream. So x minus y is equal to 2k, y is equal to 3k friends. X minus 3k is equal to 2k, x is equal to 5k. X is equal to 5k. So it implies downstream velocity. Speed of the boat in downstream velocity is equal to x plus y. That is equal to 8k. Friends, this is the second statement. Friends, now let us take up the first statement. What is the first statement? The ratio of the times taken by the boat to travel d plus 5 kilometers in downstream and d minus 7 kilometers in upstream is equal to 5:12. Is equal to 5:12. Friends, US is equal to 2k and DS is equal to 8k. 2k fours, 4 ones, 4 threes. So friends, it implies 3 into d plus 5 or 5 into d minus 7. 5d minus 35 is equal to 3d plus 15. 3d plus 15. 2d is equal to 50. D is equal to 25 kilometers. D is equal to 25 kilometers. Friends, now we have the distance. Friends, now let us take up the third statement. What is the third statement? The difference between the times taken. The difference between the times taken to travel d minus 1 kilometers in upstream and d minus 1 kilometers downstream is equal to 6 hours. Friends, d minus 1, 25 minus 1, 24 by US. US is equal to 2k minus d minus 1, 24 by ds 8k is equal to 6. Friends, it implies LCM 8k, 2k 4 24, so 96 minus 24 is equal to 6 hours. Friends, 96 minus 24 72, 6 12 72, so 8k is equal to 12. 8k is equal to 12. It implies k is equal to 1.5. K is equal to 1.5 friends. Friends, we want the speed of the boat in still water, that is we want x. X is equal to 5k. 5 into 1.5, 7.5 kmph friends. We want the speed of the boat in still water, that is x. X is equal to 5k friends. So 5 into 1.5, 7.5 kmph friends. 7.5 kmph. Okay friends, thank you. Have a nice day.